Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. How to turn off auto captions or auto subtitle of YouTube videos. If this option is enabled or checked, simply uncheck this option. Now see Other setting. Make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with others as well. If this option is enabled or checked, simply uncheck this option. Now see Other setting. Now if you are still getting captions on video, then do this setting.
YouTube channel description. Welcome to tutorial.
Turn off captions from here as well.
Tutorials.
Now there is no captions.
And publish.
For more easy to understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.